Howdy, ladies and gentlemen. Today's video will be covering some fascinating facts about Thanksgiving. Please enjoy. Ba-dum-bum-bum-bum. I know, I'm late to yet another video, but I have been really busy. Well, sort of. Unless you count sleeping and eating loads of Thanksgiving food, busy. Anyways, let's get to the reason you came to this video in the first place. Hey guys, guess what? What? The Pilgrims were not very good people to the Native Americans. I'm only joking, of course. We still have some runtime to go. Well, they were quite nefarious towards the Native Americans, but we have some more interesting facts to cover. Today's set of factoids come from the Thanksgiving table in specific. First up, turkey. It's generally accepted that this fat, feathery bird has always been part of the Thanksgiving table since day one. However, sources suggest that there is no indication that turkey was served, only that the natives brought deer and the Pilgrims provided wild fowl. The fowl could have been turkey, but it's unknown if it really was. Next up is America's favorite Thanksgiving dessert, pumpkin pie. Unbeknownst by some, but pumpkin pie may not have been a part of the original Thanksgiving, as the Pilgrims lacked butter and flour for the crust and wouldn't have had an oven to bake it in. Number 3. Fish and shellfish were probable items on the menu. This is most likely because of the abundance of seafood in the area. Our fourth factoid is about potatoes, which was not consumed by the Pilgrims or the Native Americans because it was not available to them. Last up, we have cranberry sauce, which probably wasn't consumed in a sweet sense we know today, but more likely like a tart garnish at the time. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video, make sure to hit the like button. And as always, make sure to subscribe for more fascinating factoids. Bye.